Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys, and I know it has definitely been a minute here at Home and Heart by Lola. So today I'm going to be cleaning and organizing our fridge. I usually clean it at least 2 times a month, but hey, I am going to be honest here, it has been a whole 3 months of not doing literally any cleaning for this fridge. A good deep clean or just wipe down is very important guys. So come along fam and let's clean our fridge together. Hope that this video will also give you some motivation. To be honest, I honestly was dragging about cleaning our fridge today, but here we are. Let's go. So let's start by pulling everything out of the refrigerator and just making sure if you have any expired food, medicines, drinks to be discarded. Now for the bottom fridge, I'm just going to use the McLean Vanilla Fresh. This is for the fridge and kitchen wipe, and I'm just gonna give it a good spray all over the fridge that's on the bottom, and then I'm just gonna give it a good wipe down. Also, I really love this because it gives such a good scent to the fridge, and it's just food safe as well.
Sa Vinaka na Vanua oku Eroi toka kanan raki oku Sanrenre meule sutale nunggu
Welcome back, family. We are coming to the end of the video. I hope that this video will give you some motivation. If this is one of the tasks you've been leaving it hanging in your to-do list, now is the perfect time to get onto it before you fill it up with all those Christmas frozen goods and meals and ready for some festive leftovers. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Leave us a like, a comment, and even share it. Your support is kindly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again on our next video. Vinaka.